Hey, this is Counterfeit Banzai. Today I'm doing a quick unboxing look at this EN-EL15c solo battery. Buy it separately, of course, from the camera. If you ever want an extra, you can get a general idea of what the official ones look like. It does have a hologram on the top. That's one indication of a legitimate battery, UPC, and all that. Little user guide, if you ever want to read that for some reason. And the battery itself will have a hologram on it. Here you can get an idea of what it'll look like officially. Always make sure of the text, the format, the size, and everything is similar to your original battery. There are a lot of third-party battery options for this size of battery, but be careful of the counterfeits because they try to mimic the official battery, which I think is the most dangerous situation. The bottom one here is the solo battery. On top is the one from the camera. As far as I can tell, both appear to be legitimate. The nice thing about the EN-EL15c is that it has more capacity than the previous versions. So it's 2,280 milliamp hours, 16 watt hours. So it's very nice with the mirrorless cameras especially, that you get a little bit more runtime with this specific version of the battery. Of course, these cameras are backwards compatible for the most part, but getting the high capacity one I think is the best route. Anyways, I'm Counterfeit Banzai. Hope you enjoyed this quick little hands-on video. Thanks.